Oh my goodness, how do I get in? That?
Yep. Did it? Wow, that's fast.
Woo! Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Do you have to film it?
Yep.
All right. Here we go. Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! How are you?
Good.
How's that man bun working out for you?
Awesome. You gonna join the club?
You know what? I'm all good, man. Where are we going?
I have a little idea.
Oh, do you? That worries me. Woo!
Went by fast.
Did, mate. It's going really fast.
But we're about to go faster.
Okay.
So what kind of top speeds are you looking to reach today?
Are we in miles or kilometers?
Miles.
Ooh. I'm talking 120 miles.
Uh-huh.
That's like 200 Ks. That's quick.
It's alright. It's a start.
Good lord. Have you taken it to the 200?
No, I'm trying. I tried. I almost died.
Okay, well let's not do that. Let's not go there.
Yeah, we're not going for that today.
What a great day.
It is a great day.
Oh, I just haven't felt that before.
What's that?
Do you get that often?
Badass, dude.
Thanks.
Oh, Daya.
Nice. Hell yeah. Hope you guys have a good one.
Thank you, man.
too.
Thanks, brother.
All right. Thank you, man.
For sure.
I'm alive! You're not gonna like it. You're not gonna like it.
This is a very cool car.
Oh my goodness, Cara.
I like the way you roll over here.
Oh my goodness. Pretty damn fast.
Are we gonna get pulled over?
I mean, if the spirit moves.
If the spirit moves. Alrighty.
Seatbelt.
Oh, seatbelt. I'll be back soon.
Say I love you.
I love you. Yay. Thank you.
Always.
Oh. Thank you. You must have a route where you know that you're not going to get pulled over.
I don't. I drive in the spirit. We don't drive by the law. We drive by the spirit.
Alrighty. Let's do this. Get the baby. How you doing?
This is
I'm gonna miss you.
This is your daughter.
That's it?
It's your daughter.
I know. That's like, oh. Thank you.
My pleasure.
It's a perfect day.
It really is.
I was like hoping it didn't rain because when I was like, oh, we're gonna ride in the rain.
It would have been a little bit more exciting, but
Oh.
not ideal.
I cannot believe you drove her all the way across the other side of the country.
That's true love.
That's true love. And she got you there and back.
No thanks to me.
Well, I'm gonna have to do your hair up before I let you go.
Absolutely.
Yeah, for the last time. Ready? Ready? It feels like you're on a roller coaster.
That's what he always says.
It's like a, like there's this thing that makes you feel like you're on a roller coaster. I'm surprised this is still intact with the people you've taken for a drive. Like I feel like someone just wasn't like. I'm gonna miss this place. This is so good. She's beautiful.
Just like her mama.
Yeah, baby. Woohoo! Ready? I'm ready. Keep good Jesus people around you. I'm gonna miss you. Yep.
Not a problem.
Not a problem. Holy moly.
Looks like you're doing well.
Yeah. Yeah. I am. I haven't broken the handle yet.
There's still time.
I haven't yet taken off the door of your car. It's like my hands are only a little bit sweaty. It's like, oh man. The thing is, I'm surprised no one's also like dug through the hole. It's like, my foot is like sore from like digging into your carpet.